Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Vera here again. So guys, based on popular demand, based on popular request, I am bringing you Enugu in 2020 part 3. Specifically, we'll be going to different expensive estates in Enugu. So this estate may not be expensive depending on your pocket, or for some people like us it might be expensive, but either ways we'll be going there and I'll be telling you how much it costs to live there, buy a land there, or buy a house in all of these estates. And if there are other facts that come up as we go, I would also share that with you. So guys, because you guys really requested for this video, I will be asking that you please show it love, share with your friends and your family, drop your comments below, give this video a thumb up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and on that note we'll get this video started. But before that, I would thank those of you that have been very supportive of this channel. Guys, you guys rock. Thank you all very much, and thank you for those of you that sent me birthday messages and wishes. I saw all of that. Thank you a lot. It means a whole lot to me. And I'm just short of words. Seriously, I'm short of words, because I knew that I was going to get love from my channel, but I never expected it so soon at all. So thank you for those of you that have been sending me videos. One of you called it that. I do not take any of that for granted. Thank you very much. And guys, in case you do not know, I have a Patreon account. The Patreon account was set up to help me run this channel effectively, to bring you a whole lot of interesting content, because some of you are very good at sending. Vera, we want to see this, Vera, we want to see that, Vera, show me this, show me there, show me, show. I am this show. I can show you a whole lot of things, but have you ever asked if this girl can take all of this at once? So that's just the whole idea of the Patreon. So if you want to support this craft, this channel, the content creation process, please use the link in my description box. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can always write to me via my email address, which is also in the description box below. Do you get? So guys, without further ado, let's hit the streets and look at what estates in Enugu look like in 2020. Let's go. Well guys, I fixed my nails. Did you notice that? It's been long I fixed long nails, and I'm just feeling myself. This is Zoo Estate. Zoo Estate is currently the most expensive estate in Enugu. This estate is in GRA, very close to 82 Division headquarters and the former government house. This estate was developed by the former governor, Barrister Sullivan Chime, and it is a fully developed estate with functional features and structures. Lands in this estate sold for 80 million naira and above, while houses are being sold for 120 million naira and above. So you can get houses here for 100 million or 120 and above. I'm talking about millions, not thousands, right? So let's just keep going down. So by my right there is the park where residents of this place can come and chill out and talk to nature and just enjoy the things rich people enjoy in Nigeria. Over there is the Gate Hotel. The Gate Hotel is a very nice hotel here in Enugu. It's actually very fine and expensive as well. So let's just keep going down. One thing I like about this estate is that it is well planned, well maintained, and it's actually very neat. It's just concise. It's not too big, it's not too small. As you can see, it has a very nice road network, although these roads were currently renovated, because the last time I was here they were pretty bad. They were bad, but I like the fact that the roads have been maintained. People who live here are not children. I'm telling you guys, they are the money bags in the states, like politicians, very big artists, and those people who can afford 120 million naira just like that. Environment is quite serene, very neat. Everything is on point here. So tell me what you feel about this estate in the comment section. Do you think it's worth the price, or is it overly hyped? The next estate we'll be going to is the Liberty Estate. Liberty Estate was also created by the former governor Sullivan Chime, and this is also a fully developed estate. This is the park for this estate, and it's actually well maintained from what I'm seeing here. Just like the last estate, This estate has a good road network. By my right there is the training center for Rangers football clubs. Rangers is the official football club of Enugu, the Flying Antelopes. They're a nice team actually. So this is the Liberty Estates and all of its glory. Moving in right now is the Liberty Center. This center serves as a commercial and recreational center for the residents of this estate and non-residents of this estate. Inside the center you'll find a gym house, which is also a popular gym. Like when you talk about Liberty Gym, this is where the boys and girls of Enugu come to work out. Inside this center you also find the children's center, other business centers, a swimming pool, and other fun recreational things are being done inside. And for obvious reasons I couldn't go in to film, so I carried my camera and we're heading over to the next estate. We are currently moving into WTC estate. I've talked about this estate in most of my videos. So this estate is one of the newest estates in Enugu. By my left there is City Girls Secondary School. It's an old secondary school in Enugu. A lot of girls went to that school. And this estate is a developing estate. As you can see, there are still constructions going on. There are still empty plots to be sold. There are still houses to be rented out. There are still houses to be sold. Lands here costs 30 million naira. Meanwhile, houses go for rent for as high as 800,000 naira to 1 million naira and above, depending on what you're buying. Depending on what you are renting. Flats go for 800,000 naira. Meanwhile, duplexes go for 1.5 million naira. And this is the place where I filmed a duplex that was going for 1.5 million naira. I'll show you as you get it. Oh, we're already at the house. By my left there is the house I showed you guys before. That house is for 1.5 million naira per year for rent. So this is it. So if you are trying to buy houses, land, or whatever in Enugu, this estate is a place you can look at. But you should have at least 30 million naira if you're looking to buy a land in this estate. So this is the second gate for this estate. This is the gate that shares a common boundary with the University of Nigeria Enugu campus. If you watched my last video, you know that I talked about this, and there are houses very close to the campus. So I think we are done with this estate, and we'll be leaving. Remember to tell me what you think about each estate in the comment section. So we are currently moving down to Liberty Estate Phase 2. This is located at Independence Layout, very close to the Post-Primary School Board, Enugu. Also very close to Lady Ibiam Secondary School. This estate is like an annex of the previous Liberty Estate we went to. This estate is also very small. It is a developed estate. There are no longer lands available for sale here, but you can still get houses for sale here or for rent, 1.5, 1.2 and above, depending on who is renting it to. So this is all about this estate. And the only recreational center or something going on in this estate is a hotel, the Bricks Hotel. That is the only recreational center here. So every other activity for this estate happens outside. So if they want to buy something, you better leave the estate gate to get yourself something to buy. So we're moving down to Republic Estate. Republic Estate is at Independence Layout, very close to Ogui village, which is along Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road. This estate is a new estate and it is also a developing estate. And as you can see, there are still plots of land waiting for people that will buy it. There are houses for sale, there are houses for rent, and there are lands for sale. Lands in this estate go for 30 million naira and above, while renting a house here goes for 800,000 naira and above. Then buying a home here, you should be looking at 70 million naira and above, depending on who you are buying from. One thing I noticed about this estate, and like I told you, because it's a developing estate, it has a very good road network, but the roads are bad. I couldn't go around the estate proper because most of the roads were terrible. Honestly, I was shaking with my camera, like we were both dangling. There was no way I could have filmed those parts because I would produce some distorted images and clips for you guys. So I hope with time that they look into the road and make the necessary amendments and renovations. But apart from that, this is a very nice place. It is serene and it is close to the express, and if that is a bonus mark or something, I don't know, but it's a nice place with nice buildings, flowers, plants all over the place. And as usual, there was a central security that accosted us at the gate, asking lots of questions. That's why I couldn't get the gate, because once they see a camera in Nigeria, you are in for questioning. In fact, you are in for drilling. So I just had to respect myself. This is Sunrise Estate. Sunrise Estate is in Emene, very close to Innocent Industries. This estate is very large. When I mean large, it is big, it's larger than life. It's actually looking like a community, do you get? And it's a developing estate. So if you're looking to get into Enugu, or you're already in Enugu looking for where to buy land in an estate that is developing, you should look at this place. Land here go from 15 million naira to 20 million naira and above. Flats in this estate go for 500 to 600,000 naira per year. One thing I noticed also about this estate is that it has a good road network as well, but the roads were bad. Like if Republic Estate roads were bad, this is worse. Do you get? So, but I believe like with time, as developments keep coming in, they would improve on their road. And I also noticed that there seemed to be an adequate water supply here, because most of the compounds were pumping water on their own, not like the tankers came to fill their tanks for them and all that. They were all pumping water on their own. So that means there's actually water from the ground, from the soil, going up to their containers and all that. And it looks serene and all that. So this is actually a place you can live quietly and do your business, come home and mind your business. Do you get? Guys, as usual, I had to stop for a snack. I enjoy roasted corn and pear. It's actually a street food or a street snack, whichever way you call it, but I enjoy eating this a lot. So tell me in the comment section, do you enjoy eating corn and pear, or do you prefer eating the cooked corn and coconut or with pear? Right now we are leaving the estate. Now we are at Golf Estate. By my right is the current trade fair complex in Enugu. So Golf Estate is actually one of the oldest estates in Enugu. It's not like it's so old, but it is older than the previous estates that I showed you guys. And it is a developed estate. There are no longer lands for sale here. You'd rarely find, but if you should find the land here for sale, lands here go for 30 million naira and above. Meanwhile, flats here that are for rent go for 600,000 naira. By my right there is the Angelo Hotel. If you're coming into Enugu from Night Mile, you must have passed this hotel, the Angelo Hotel. It is at Golf Estate. So right now we are leaving Golf Estate to the next estate, which is like my favorite. This is also a very new estate in Enugu. This is Fidelity Estate. Fidelity Estate was actually established by the former governor, as usual, Barrister Sullivan Chime, and it is also a small estate. Like, it is concise, and I like it. I like the houses here. I like the finishings they gave to their houses. I like the plant. I like everything in this estate. Seriously, lands here, there are no longer lands for sale because it is fully developed. Like, it's all developed. But houses here are being sold for 120 million naira. So if you want to live here, you just have to get yourself 120 million naira and above, and you'll be a proud homeowner in Fidelity Estate, Enugu. So guys, at this juncture, we've come to the end of the tour. I'm sure a lot of you do not want this tour to end. Me too. Or everything that has a beginning has an end. You get? So we've come to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, give this video a thumb up, drop your comments in the comment section below, share this video with your friends and your family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and until I come your way, guys, do take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.